Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. In this section, we are going to cover the concept of arrays and we will learn the following topics in this section. Array declaration, working with array, types of array, 1D array and 2D array. So let's start with an example. Consider a situation when we want to store and display the age of 100 employees. For this, we have to do what we will do. We will take 100 variables for the 100 values. That means we will assign the value to them. We will then print and display. Isn't it? It is a time-consuming problem and the solution. So, if I think about the solution, whether this is a lengthy or a less time consuming, it's a more time consuming. So there is another solution for it to store the values for 100 employees or 100 people for the same type. For example, roll number of 10 students, age of 20 employees. So the age is the same type of data where we are storing with the random numbers and the variable will store at the random positions. So what is the second solution for it? The second solution is the concept of arrays. So arrays is nothing where what we will do in arrays, we will take a single variable, and we will mention the width of the particular solution. That means what? For example, in our case, we are doing the solution for age of 100 employees. So what we will do, we will take a variable age and what we will do, we will make a data type int and we will put width. So in array, when we declare an array, what we have to declare? We have to declare it very easily like a variable declaration, but the difference is what? We have to mention data type, space, then the variable and then the width. Width you can say subscript or dimension, these are the same things. So this will be the another solution for the problem. That means when we want the same type of data, but we don't want the random variables for the, for example, for our program. So what we will do, we will take a age variable for this problem and we will mention the width 100 with the data type int. Now in this variable age will hold the value for 100 integer values and each individual element will here start with the index 0. That means age 0 with the brackets. So age 1 will be the another variable, age 2 will be another, but these are the variables which are in a random positions. Random positions means anywhere in the memory. Array will give the concept where elements are stored one after the another. That means one after the another. If one first variable's value is at age 0, then second will be at age 1. Then third will be at age 2, age 3 and so on. It depends on the limit minus 1. That means if the limit is 100, that means the variables I am storing the values for 100%. So the limit will be L. So L will be the limit and it will be L minus 1 because we are starting from 0. That means you have to always remember array always starts from 0. So array starts from 0 to L minus 1. Hope this is very clear to you. Now if we talk about the array in more detail, that means when we are declaring it, as we can see in the screen, that data type with the age and 100, that means it make the in memory it make the spaces as the random variables were making, but now the variables are making the age variable will make at a one particular, it will start at a one particular position and then extend after that. That means it will be in a sequence manner. That means one after the another. That means if a memory location, the first variable, the first value will take the value 100, another will be take 102, then 104, depends on the data type. So that means we can say an array is a collection of similar type of data items, and each item, that is each data item, is an element of an array which is present in a sequence manner, one after the another. That means it's like the randomly we are setting, and we are setting in a sequence order. So now the memory usage will not be wasted like in random variables, because in random variables, if the memory is inside and still it's showing that memory is full. But if we take the example of sequence data, so that means one after the another. So this will be the solution for the problem which we stated earlier. So this is the solution, that is the array concept, which we are going to learn today. So array is the concept of collecting the similar type of data where the data will be one after the another in a contiguous memory locations.